Hello dear students. In this video I will analyze about chemistry papers of JEE Mains 2024 January attempt so that students can get an insight into how to prepare for incoming NEET exam on 5th of May and JEE Mains April attempt. This is the percentage of physical, organic and inorganic chemistry in various papers. In this front, paper was balanced with slightly less percentage of physical chemistry. Last year, JEE Mains as well as NEET syllabus was reduced. It gave me an impression that since syllabus is reduced, so difficulty level may go up. But after thorough analysis of all the chemistry papers of JEE 2024 January attempt, I found difficulty level to be actually lower than that of JEE Mains 2023. Almost all the questions were NCERT based. 10% of the questions were very easy, sort of consolation marks for everyone. 10% were difficult and could be clubbed as JEE advanced level questions. 40% of the questions were of moderate difficulty level and remaining 40% can be called as easy questions. But interesting part is the choice in numerical value questions. Out of 10% of difficult questions, most of the difficult questions are from integer type questions. And in integer type questions, there is choice. A student needs to attempt only 5 questions out of 10 integer type questions. So a student may leave out difficult questions and attempt easy or moderate level questions. So practically difficult question is either one or none in the entire exam. If a student is thorough with NCERT Exemplar, and 2 chapters of lab manual, that is systematic qualitative analysis and test for functional group in organic compounds, then apart from 1 or 2 difficult questions, a student can attempt all of the remaining chemistry paper. To give a more closer look into difficulty level of questions, I have taken screenshots of few questions from various papers. These are examples of very easy questions. Bond line formula is asked in this question. In this question, it is asked the type of amino acid obtained on hydrolysis of proteins. Then anomalous behavior of oxygen is due to. Examples of vinylic halides. Simple nomenclature question. This is a simple question about mole fraction. Then simple question on expression of equilibrium constant. These are very easy questions. Now few questions which are easy level questions. Element not showing variable oxidation state, P block question. Then this is a D block question. Again a D block question. Then a question from chemical bonding. Question from coordination compounds. Then a question from P block. Question from isomerism chapter. Again chemical bonding question. Now these are examples of few moderate level questions. This is a P block question. This is an organic question. Then P block question. Again question from P block. Then structure of atom. Question from chemical kinetics. Then this is a question from chapter ionic equilibrium. This again is D block chapter question. Now these are examples of difficult questions. This is related to the topic tautomerism. Then electrochemistry. This is a very good question. This can be also called as JEE advanced level question. This is based on concept of neighboring group participation. This question cannot be solved just on the basis of NCERT, but there were only 2 to 3 questions out of entire 300 questions in 10 papers which were not part of NCERT. So students do not need to worry about these type of questions. Then this is based on the theory of hydrocarbons. This again is a difficult question, finding number of geometrical isomers. It is based on the concept of pseudo-geometrical center. Then this question is from equilibrium chapter. As I already mentioned that questions were from NCERT theory, but to our surprise, total 12 questions were directly from NCERT exercises and 5 questions were direct from an exemplar without any changes even in numerical value. These are few examples. This question is from chapter Organic Chemistry, Some Basic Principles and Techniques. It is given in NCERT. This question is given in NCERT. I have made topic-wise video solutions to all the questions of NCERT and NCERT Exemplar for class 11 and class 12th. Video for this particular question can be availed by clicking link under pin 1 in description box in this video. Then this question is from chapter Haloalkanes and Haloarenes. A video for this question can be found under the pin 2 in description box. Then this question is directly from chapter Chemical Bonding and Molecular Structure. Pin 3 has this video of this question. Now an important point is students tend to ignore two important chapters from NCERT lab manual, that is systematic qualitative analysis and test for functional groups in organic compounds. Many questions were asked from these two chapters. Just to give a better idea, I have taken screenshots of few questions. Total 5 questions were asked from the theory of test of chloride ion, comprising of only half a page in the chapter systematic qualitative analysis in lab manual. So these are those 5 questions which refer just to a single concept given in the lab manual, that is test of chloride ions. All these 5 questions can be answered if a student is thorough with that half a page of the lab manual. So the conclusion is focus on NCERT, read it line by line, even the uses of compounds mentioned there. Solve questions from NCERT Exemplar 2. Students tend to ignore two important chapters from lab manual, that is systematic qualitative analysis and test for functional groups in organic compounds. So if you have missed those, do study. I have provided video solutions to NCERT and NCERT Exemplar free of cost on my YouTube channel. You may benefit from these and improve upon your weak areas. Best wishes.